right up here with us, aren't you? Hi, Anna. Hi. Hello. This is Ash. Hi, Ash. You're so comfy and soft. Yes, you are. Oh, baby. Hello. This is Brock. Oof, we need to cut nails. I am going to cut nails right after this video. I do not like their nails to be prickly. No way. So no prickly nails, please. There's Price playing with a little ball. Price, get your ball. Get your ball. And here's the little girl, Maylene. Come here, Maylene. She's definitely becoming more social. It's just taken her a little while longer. I just brought in these 3 little silver balls. She's acting funny. Hey, Mama. Ash, are you being the snuggly one today? Are you being the snuggly one? You know, I'm going to stop this video and cut their nails because I don't like prickly nails and they're hurting me. So let me go cut nails and then I'm going to start another video.